conformist. Please, direct your attention to my performance. I train your line of vision on me like the eye of Horus, and you shall find them at metaphorical dongs enormous, of course. Do you believe that you're not afforded your due respect, or treated with the height of decorum that you expect? Maybe you're doing your best, but feel neglected. In a sea of perfection, it's easy to feel defective. Well, I got an answer that will help you with your deep shame. Confront your enemies by telling them to peep game. See, they've been sleeping on your flames, you've been defamed, but I swear the recognition's there for you to reclaim. And as a kid, people said I was strange, but now that I'm older, I'm proud I'm an artist with brains. And there was two other people's minds that are hardest to change. I'll use all my power to keep the people hard at my game. So if you're doing something different, then they call you a freak, because you're making people listen when you're rocking a beat. Say peep game, 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 peep game. And if you always bring the fire, but they're never impressed because their shit is uninspired and they know you're the best. Say peep game, 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 peep game. Man, I got so much game, you couldn't peep it all in one day. Peeping from the weekend all the way to Monday. My game is colorful, blue, pink, and yellow. Treat me like a teacher and give me them peeps, marshmallows. Maybe you could bring your peeps to the show, cause I got so much game to peep and I want people to know. I just bring the heat and they eat it up like pizza to go. In a minute I'm drowning in it, I'll be deep in a dough. Let's go. My game is exhibitionist, peep it like your Tom. My game is like my laptop, peep it like my mom. My game is different in a field full of sheep. Step up to the stage and give it a little bo peep. Yeah, I'm like Lex to your brainiac. You look a little green in the face of megalomaniacs.